What is good, YouTube? First ever YouTube video. POV driving. Let's terrorize the streets. Just zooming out. What the hell? Oh no, it's not zooming out. Okay, I'm gonna restart the video. Okay. All right, so it's gonna be like this for now, guys. Keep it chills. Make a short little video for you guys. I think you can see the road. This is what I see, except I see like this. Same shit. Damn. Alright guys, we're gonna do donuts up in here next time. Then we're gonna get some new tires. Right, friend? Yeah, we can't play music though. Got that trap stuff on. You already know what time it is. Okay, yo, the video, I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I'll make it 5 minutes for you guys. You know, waste all the gas for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Oh, damn. Whew. See, right now we're in a Hellcat right now. I would have probably burnt some rubber right there. Earlier today I was driving around in the rain, drifting around. Should have recorded a POV then, but it's okay. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Seems like it's about to rain real soon here, so I'm gonna have to slow it down soon. But it's chills though. Damn. Yeah, I'll definitely use my headset next time, but the one that I got is mad tight. Let's see if we get up in here. Get a little distance. Do a little. I'll put it in sport mode, but a little low on gas right now. Maybe next video I'll fill up the tank. Tomorrow's video, go full out sports mode. That's stock too, guys. A lot of modifications to come. Yeah. Woo. Exhilarating. Nice little country view up in here. Yeah. Hopefully you see some cows. You guys like the cows. Got some chickens too. Damn, man, look at this house. So peaceful. Imagine living here type shit. Wow. Look at that. What we got over there? We got a fat little burn. Little burn up in there. Yeah. See that shit? Straight out of a kid's book. Yeah. Whew, should have cut this guy off. Got distracted by all these farms. Damn. What the hell this guy got in the back there? You see that? It's like a boat. Alright. Do a little trip to the farm area. Oh shit, he's leaving. Thank God. Whew. Whew. Seems like the RPMs are high. There's a tiny little pop. Which is not bad. It's so cold outside, guys. But you know, I gotta open the windows for you guys so you can hear a little bit of the engine. It's perfect timing because if I started recording about 20 minutes later, it would be drenched in rain, and then I don't think I would have made a video for you guys. Okay. There, the farm trip should be good. Whew. Exhilarating. Let's check out the tire pressure. Looks good. windshield action going on right now. Okay, we'll go this way. Oh shit, I see a car there with the emergency lights on. Seems like they're stopped right there. Then it's this road, or else would have kicked it. But we'll keep it chill, I don't want to beat any piggers. The piggers here in Mexico be quite gruesome sometimes. They play with your boy, you know what I'm saying? Okay, anywho, look at this house, nice. Probably shouldn't be showing people's houses, I think it's a bit weird. We'll lay off that for a while. But, anywho, let me know, drop in the comments, guys, what type of video you guys want to see. You guys want to see more POV drives? You guys want to see some more drifts? You guys want to see what type of modifications I'm going to do to my car? Definitely going to do something to the exhaust real quick. And we're also going to tune this thing, make it a little horsepower faster. Obviously, we're probably going to get that cat soon, by next year, for sure. But for now, we might just tune out this 5.7 liter, get it as fast as we can. Now, what the hell is this car doing here? Break down? Ooh. What is that, an Acura? Nice. Freaking thought that was a pegger for no reason. Damn, I love the farmy roads, guys. Look at that. What we got in front of us? Some corn? Yeah, it looks like some corn. Oh shit. Going down a little bit. Could be pigger. So we got little baby tents up in here. They're not that good. Okay, do a last little trip for you guys here, and then we'll call it. Do a little rip around in this farmy area. Then it should be good to go. Next video, I'm gonna do a donut. Damn. Perfect. And I'll probably do another POV at nighttime too, because nighttime looks a bit better. Today originally I was gonna do nighttime. It ended up being a daytime video. Oh, I should have turned right on that road. Whew. It's crying. It's whining like a baby. Yeah, I think I definitely need to make this baby a bit louder. Get more of a, oh shit, man, fucking, what the hell? Get more of a sound going. How you guys like this new modification I got done right here? This little white right here, yeah. Makes it look a lot cleaner. What the hell, the music's still playing? Oh, volume's off. It's tripping. Anyway guys, I might just start freestyle rapping for you guys too in the future. It's no music. It's lonely. I think your boy will have to call it soon. The rain is starting to come. I'll do one little launch for you guys, and then we'll call it at the end of the video. I think that's fair. Stay tuned. There's a road coming up there in Mexico to the left, which we can do a little launch. Don't worry guys, when I buy new tires, we'll do donuts and burnouts every corner, sliding through every corner. Yeah, that'll be the next video caption. Damn, I don't know, people be recording with their phones like this. My hand's cramping up. Okay guys, stay tuned. I'll talk to you guys when I'm there and we'll do the burnout. We are here, boys. We're gonna do the launch for the end of the video. Damn, there's a lot of fucking cars here. I don't even know about this right now, but we're still gonna do it though. Okay, so I know we gotta park the car. Where the hell do we even super pack? Launch control. Activate launch. It isn't sport when you activate launch. It changes everything. Okay. Launch control. Okay, it's activated. It will launch when your thing's at 3000 RPM. Started doing a burnout there for no reason. I thought we needed to do a burnout, quick launch. I think I gotta ask my cousin how to do it next time. But anywho, hope you guys liked. Please like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for more. Peace, family.